Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to use a snipping tool. So guys, firstly make sure to go into your start menu and launch a app called Snipping Tool. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, just this little very simple window. And now guys, it depends what you want to do. So as you can see, we have two features, which is snip pretty much a screenshot, a photo right of your screen, and also we can record a video. So depending on what you want to do, just choose the proper mode, and then you just also want to go to the settings, and in here I just choose which folder do screenshots are saved to. So you can just press on change here, and yeah, just choose, for example, a separate folder for your screenshot and a separate one for your videos. Also, as you can see, you can also ask where to save edited screenshots, which is pretty handy. I can enable that actually pretty good. Also, you can choose HDR. Just yeah, run down through the settings. If you want to, enable or disable something, feel free to. And also, in order to change the locations of your screen recordings, you can also go to here where they save to, press on change, and choose the folder. And after that, we're done. And in order to, for example, make a screenshot, you choose the photo icon in here, press on new, and in here we have different modes, right? So the snipping area. So we have a rectangle and make a where we draw a certain portion of the screen and make a screenshot of it. And also we have other, for example, window. So how this works is you just press on window, and if you have another window open, you just hover your mouse over it. It's choosing the window, and you can make a snapshot and screenshot of it. Also, we have a full screen if you want to make a full screen. So if you want to make a full screen photo, you can do that as well. And also there's free form, so you can just pretty much draw. So press on new, and now as you can see, I can draw however I want, and to make a very random screenshot, guys. And this is what we get, something like this. Yeah, so you can pretty much let your imagination go with this one. But pretty much this is how it's done, guys. Very easy app to use, and hopefully this tutorial assisted you in using it. If you enjoyed this one, press like on the video and subscribe. See you soon, guys.